Anyway, today we will be taking apart a flat screen TV. An HDMI TV, something like that. It's been a while since I've taken apart a flat screen. It's not the biggest thing in the world, but it's pretty cool because it's kind of old, kind of new. It's in between, and it's right here. It's this thing. We got a VZO, whatever that is. Got speakers. How the back looks, and this is gonna be like an ultra fast take apart. Yeah. So, yeah, tell me if you like this take apart. Comment down below if you liked it or not. I don't know, there isn't really much left of the TV. It shouldn't work. I don't think it works. We got speakers, just about it. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Trying to show you what goes on. Yeah, right here, that's about 150 screws. Yeah. Anyway guys, thank you very much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, it helps. And as always, you will see me in the next video. Bye-bye.